Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day craft. This is such a cute little gift or decor item for around the house. I'm also going to show you my trick on how to get the perfect letters for your projects without having to have a vinyl cutting machine. If you want to make a perfect heart, what I did is I took it's cardstock. It was about 24-inch cardstock. You can use whatever you want. You can use multiple sheets of paper. You could do 4 sheets of paper. And I just took it. Obviously, it was a big rectangle. And then I just drew it like that. And so it was even. And then I opened it up. And then I traced it. And that's how I got the perfect heart. It's super easy to do. I am going to use a 1/4-inch plywood and cut it out with a jigsaw. I also want to let you guys know today's video is in collaboration with Mama's Time Out. I will have all her information in my description box. Check out her channel. She is doing a craft you guys are going to want to see. You are going to love her channel. Let her know we sent you. And if you are from her channel, thank you so much for coming over. Make sure you subscribe before with this design last year, and it's been pretty popular with my orders, which I'm super thankful. But you can do whatever you want. I'm just showing you something that I do. Add your own creative flair to it. This is just to show you how I brought this one together. but like I said, you could do whatever you want. That's what I love about crafts. Just make it your own. I am using just regular acrylic paint for this project. Also, all of my brushes are from Michaels. I like to spend a little bit more on my brushes because it makes all the difference. Now that I've got some of the main designs on the heart, I'm going to just fill in any of the white spots. This is just kind of, I do everything in steps, and this is one of the final steps before I put the letter on top. Now I'm going to start adding some of the accents on the chevron. This just gives the lines a little bit of dimension. What I like to do so the brush isn't too heavy with paint, I put a little bit on my hand and then I will just dab it in that a little bit and wipe it off before adding more on. Remember, if you mess up, that's okay, you can fix it. Now I'm going to get my jumbo black painter pen. I purchased this from, I believe, Walmart. I know Michaels has them as well. These are perfect for detailed work like this. I am going to add the little squiggly lines. This is perfect for outlines and things on these types of decor that a paintbrush just kind of makes a little too messy. I'm going to show you guys how to get perfect letters on your decor. So basically what I did is I went to my printer, I found the font and the letter that I wanted, I saved the image, and then when I go to print it, I print it reversed. That is the key, print it reversed. And then once I get it exactly where I want it, I take a wet paper towel and I dab it on top. You don't want to completely saturate it, but you do want the paper wet. What you're doing is basically making a tattoo or transferring the ink onto your craft that you're doing. Then you are going to take a pen or a pencil, either is fine. I like using a pen, and I am going to trace the entire design or letters. This again is going to just press in that ink, and it's going to make a really nice bold line so you're able to trace it once you pull the paper up. Also, you'll be able to kind of play with the size a little bit. I believe this size here to make it fill the whole paper and to fit this particular piece, I believe I had to enlarge it 150%. When you're in your program getting ready to print, this will make more sense to you. So there you go. Now you have your stencil and it is perfect for you to start outlining. Again, I am going to use one of my painter pens. This you can do with a paintbrush, but I find it easier with these pens because it has a nice sharp felt tip. This is something I used to do all the time before I got my silhouette machine, and honestly it is wonderful. You can make anything you want. Now the letter is very black and it was kind of blending in with the side design, so I went ahead and outlined it with a white painter pen just to make it more bold and highlight it. Now I'm using my Mod Podge. I am going to put this on with a foam brush. You can use whatever you want. This is just what I had on hand, and make sure you do a really generous amount because you want something for the glitter to really be able to hold on to. Now I'm going to use just some regular old glitter I have. This particular project takes a lot of glitter, so if you need to buy a larger container, that's fine. I will use this entire container. I like to work in little sections. So this glitter I bought in a pack from Michaels. You can get it anywhere. There's no particular kind you need. Once you get it everywhere in this little section, you are going to now lift up your craft and you're going to tap it a little bit, not too hard, but just enough to get any of the excess glitter off. Make sure you have a large piece of paper or something underneath. This is the cardstock I used earlier to make my heart stencil in the very beginning of the video. And then I put the rest of the glitter back in the bottle, and I will continue this process until the entire craft is covered. This will help kind of minimize the mess and also conserve the glitter. I do not remember where I got these large pieces of, I wouldn't say it's cardstock, or maybe it is. It's just a heavier weight paper. And like I had mentioned earlier, this is what I used 2 of these folded for the heart stencil. Now that all the glitter is put on there, I'm going to take it into my garage and spray it with a matte sealer. You can get it anywhere. Mine's also a UV protector, and it will keep the paint nice and can make sure the glitter stays on. I am going to use 4-inch red burlap to make a bow as the base. It's very simple, as you see here. I'm then going to take the more decorative ribbon and make a bow on top as well. If you guys want a more detailed video on how I do more intricate things like bows or the chevrons, please let me know in the comments below. I'm going to use a pipe cleaner to hold everything together. Now I'm just sitting here thinking I want it more full, so I am going to add some more loops. You guys, I had technical difficulties and my camera did not film the final reveal of this beautiful craft, but I am inserting a picture at the very end of another one I did. It's the exact same heart, except it has a different letter on the top. If you guys like crafts like these, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Definitely check out Mama's Timeout. Her channel is amazing. Let me know in the comments below if this is something that you guys are going to try to do, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.